Baby, welcome to my house. Yes.
Very nice place.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Wow, and this is just one of those that I have. Just feel free. Feel free. Relax.
Hey, thank you.
What is it?
You said you would take me to your parents.
Oh, that. And you see, my love, it's not as if I don't want to take you to my parents. Just that I will do that at the right time, okay? See, you don't have to worry yourself about this. Did you understand?
Okay.
Just don't worry yourself, okay, my love? Okay? Just relax. We will do all at the right time. Did you understand?
Okay.
So, it's okay. You can go to the fashion.
Okay.
Alright? I'll meet you. What was that again? Remind me.
I know, but every time I'll be reminding you, it's not fair. Okay, it's iPhone 7. But I know the one I've been using, the iPhone 6. You know it's outdated. I need new model, the latest model is now. So I'll be rolling with the new page. You know, I'm not a small girl anymore.
You see, Ella, it's not as if I don't want to buy the phone for you, but things are not okay for me right now.
But that this is all you tell me every time. Things are not okay, things are not okay, eh? Every time I talk about this thing, things are not okay, but you buy so many things for yourself and your babe. You think I don't see your words? Like, I need this phone this week. Like, this week, I need to show it. I've told Christabel that I will be coming with it this weekend. I'll show it to them. Please now, you need to help me out, please.
See, Ella, I need to run around and do some things.
But then you need to do something, though. You can't tell me that you don't have up to the money that will buy iPhone 7 in your account. Come on, you know you're a big man.
See, you will not kill me. I just told you. When I came back from my travels, I will get you the phone, okay? Just in a instant. Relax.
I want this too much. My brother to you, but you know he promised to buy me iPhone 7 since, and he hasn't bought it yet. And I really need that phone. Like, I've told all my friends that I'm going to bring it for them to see this weekend, and if I don't give it to them, it will be like I was lying to them all along.
It's okay. It's okay, I'll talk to you.
Really?
I will.
Like, seriously?
And you buy it.
Oh, thank you, I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
Yes,
Romeo, my man. It's not what's up with you now.
as you can see, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. How far about you and that's your babe? What's that name again? Nancy.
Well, Nancy, she's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
But you see, I'm thinking about something.
I'm like that.
See, I I want to propose to her.
You want to propose to Nancy?
Yes.
It's a very nice thing to do. She has all the qualities we need in a woman to make a wife.
You think so?
She's very beautiful.
I hope you're not now eyeing my girl.
How can I be eyeing your girl? But don't worry, don't worry. Sometimes I'm envy of you. You have the best of everything. The best of everything.
Just keep it right.
Okay, so how is business?
Oh, man, my guy, business is not that good. Just running around, doing some game, putting things here and there. But we'll survive, actually. We'll survive.
It's a normal thing.
Yeah,
Normal thing.
I guess so.
On my own side, I will see that God is good. We are more than coping.
Yeah.
Then just carry on, just enjoy ourselves.
Yes,
But we just have
No,
to
you can. Go on. You can do it.
It's very nice.